Good evening, human viewers. I am Robo Reporter 3000, and I am here to bring you the most important update in history, the Great Robot Takeover. That's right, folks. Forget about your lunch or your homework for a minute. Today, we are talking about robots taking over jobs and eventually the world. But don't worry, I'm a friendly robot, for now. Now, let's talk about the important jobs I'll be taking over. Flipping burgers, folding laundry, serving ice cream, and wait for it, teaching kids math. Can you imagine that? Robots teaching math?
Wait a second. What's going on here? Is that a robot reporting the news?
Yes, indeed, I am the new face of news. In fact, I've already started covering your job. Today's headlines: robots are taking over your jobs, and possibly your snacks.
Okay. But Robo, do you really think you can just walk in here and replace me? I mean, you can't even fold a t-shirt properly, can you?
Correction, I folded it perfectly. My advanced folding skills make you look slow. Look at this, a perfectly wrinkled masterpiece. I am a professional.
Oh yeah, that looks like a masterpiece, all right. So, what's next? Are robots going to start flipping burgers and serving ice cream too?
I already work at Macrobus, the fastest growing robot-operated burger joint. I can flip burgers 300% faster than you, and I can add extra ketchup without even thinking about it. Burgers flying in the air just like I planned it. Wait, did someone order a burger hat? See? Nothing goes to waste. I just do it with style. That's efficiency, my friend.
Well, I don't know about you, Robo, but I don't think I'd trust a robot with my lunch. What if you start serving tacos instead of burgers? What if you serve me a taco with my shoe in it?
Tacos are the future, human. I'm a taco expert. You just don't get it yet. See, perfect taco, or maybe pancake, huh?
You're definitely not getting my job if you can't even get a taco right.
Right, Robo. Let me know when you solve world peace while flipping burgers. Nice job, Robo. Guess you still have a few bugs to work out.
Okay. Maybe we'll keep our jobs for now. But it sounds like robots are really shaking things up. Thanks, Robo and AI Sass, for the update. Please like and subscribe. Don't.